On behalf of Embassy of India, The Hague, and on my own behalf, I have great pleasure in welcoming all the participants to India-Europe Food and Agro Virtual Exhibition being organized by ASSOCHAM. The Netherlands is the gateway to the Europe. In food sector, it plays a much bigger role as it is the second largest exporter of food and agri products in the world. Our two countries already have a long-standing partnership in this sector for mutual benefit. Some of the Dutch companies have been present in India for several decades and are already a household name. Some other companies, newer companies, are playing a very important role in building new bridges between our two agri industries. I believe that this exhibition will provide opportunities to many companies to take the first step to understand each other and build lasting partnership. To other companies which already are doing business with each other, this exhibition will offer them opportunity to further intensify and diversify their partnerships. As we develop our economies in the post-COVID phase, building more resilient supply chains, especially in food sector, have become even more important. In that sense, I believe that this initiative of ASSOCHAM is very timely and is also very important. I wish this event success. Thank you very much.
21वीं सदी भारत की हो, इसका मार्ग क्या हो? विश्व की आज की स्थिति हमें सिखाती है कि इसका मार्ग एक ही है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत.
India further progresses to be Atmanirbhar or self-reliant. ASSOCHAM is ready to play a pivotal role. As the chamber is the most prominent voice of the MSMEs, it is perfectly poised to work in this sector to translate the idea of self-reliance into a reality.
100 वर्ष का अनुभव व्यक्ति हो या संस्था बहुत बड़ी पूंजी होता है और मैं एसोचैम के सभी सदस्यों को इस महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव पर बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं.
ASSOCHAM is a constant partner in the progress of the nation. It worked closely with the government since its inception and gave valuable inputs, and the government recognized its initiatives. So, even in its 100th year, despite facing the difficult times, it carried on its activities, serving the nation.
We represent over 50% of the manufacturing GDP of India, as this is a chamber which not only represents large industry, but also small and medium. And its members of over 4.5 lakh organizations make it one of the largest such institution in the world.
ASSOCHAM, celebrating your 100th year, being together, generating ideas, influencing policy, and also showing and making a difference in the ground through all the activities that you are engaged in.
Consumer electronics to defense electronics, to medical electronics, to strategic electronics. We are pushing our boundary far and wide. And I will appeal to many of my industrialist friends present here that electronic manufacturing is the real future of India.
ASSOCHAM को 100 साल पूरे करने के उपलक्ष्य में हृदय से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और शुभेच्छाएं देता हूं। 5 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमी बनाने के लिए आप सब लोगों का सहयोग बहुत आवश्यक है।
We truly will have to look for a more inclusive society. But at the same time, we'll have to be a much more innovative nation. Startups, our young engineers, our young innovators do make all of us proud. I hope industry associations and industry also engages with that new emerging ecosystem much more deeply.
ASSOCHAM has dedicated itself to the service of the nation for ages. From pre-independence till now, it has played a pivotal role in the growth of the Indian economy. The commitment continued even in the difficult times of 2020. ASSOCHAM took its initiatives online and also addressed the issues related to the COVID-19 pandemic in detail. And offline, it worked on supporting society through its CSR activities. But its core activity of supporting the government in its initiatives took center stage in these difficult times.
For an organization with the legacy and heritage of ASSOCHAM, we owe it to society and industry and all our stakeholders to work for the 4 pillars of nation building. ASSOCHAM would work with the government and industry to achieve leadership position in this direction.
ASSOCHAM is a consistent partner in India's growth story. It is the symbol of India's consistent effort to grow as an economic powerhouse. For ASSOCHAM, it was, is, and always shall be India first. We would like to thank all our valuable partners and sponsors who are supporting us on the project.